morning, everyone. We are getting ready to take the speaking directions test this morning. Do you have any questions about the instructions and help screen that we just did together? This is a speaking test. It will give you a chance to show how well you can speak in English. You will hear the questions. If you need to hear the question again, click on the replay button. To answer each question, you will speak into a microphone and record your answer, just like you did in the recording device check screen. You will record your answer, stop the recording, and then replay to hear your recording. You can record your answer over again if you want until you are satisfied with the recording that has been stored in the system. When you have finished, the computer will send your recording to teachers like me so that they can tell us your score. If you don't understand what to do or if you can't hear what you recorded while testing, raise your hand. Try to answer all test questions. Keep working until you reach the end of the test. Once you have finished, you may check your work in this test only. Remember, you can see the directions whenever you need them during the test by clicking the question mark button. When you reach the attention box, do not submit your test. Please raise your hand and I will help you when you are ready to begin the test. Click Begin Test Now.